Alrighty then. I think it's up and working. Let's check everything out. Damn you, body, stop doing that. Check everything out. Okay, that sounds like words. That's a good start. What about Twitch? Test, test, test. Test, test, test. Okay. That's a lot of loud noises. Let us start setting everything up because I do not have this OBS set up for like an internet browser. So let's try VC face. Let's test the chat too by pressing 1.
Look at the chat, you blind bastard.
Huzzah, it works. Fantastic. Now let's what? Start adding some stuff. So let's get rid of the notification for Discord. How do I do this next part? Okay, so we go add. We want a game capture. Where the fuck is it? Game capture. And we want to add VC. Okay. Let's close Discord for a second. It's in my way. Oh, there's my little avatar. Put him down. Let's now open up VS Studio and start the Vini server, and then we'll open up the Vinis. Delete this junk. Too much shit. Let's find. Yo, Fumi, what's up? So what I'm doing today is, honestly, it's just a bunch of random things that I just need to do. I just made the YouTube video, and I need to remember what I did after that step because I need to make the next step in the process, but I don't actually remember. So I'm just gonna have to go through my streams, and I'm just gonna make a list of all the changes that I made, just so I actually know what I did. Because the changes to Vini is outpacing the videos by a significant amount, and I don't remember all the stuff I've done to all the changes that I've made over time. I'm also going to try to set up um a different sort of personality for Vini. I'm going to change Mini Vini's like hair or something, just make some adjustments and see if I can have a different profile for her. And I'm going to test that out. And then I don't know. I might do some art stuff. Maybe like do like a hair style or something. But yeah, that is the plan. That is the plan. I'm just setting up the stream right now because I do not have a proper OBS set up for this. So let's open up Wardo. Okie dokie. Let's grab the AI and activate that server. Um, oh, thank you, thank you. I'm glad you like it. I I don't know. It was hard because I was trying to like be sort of I don't know. It's I wanted to be like really lazy with it, and I'm trying to think about ways to make it be lazy but also make it not be terrible. So I'm glad you thought it was pretty good. Um, yeah, I wasn't really sure how the format was going to work. Just having the little VTuber character be there while just some random images flashed on screen. But I mean, I guess it's good enough for it's good enough. Like, all right. So let's add. What is she called? Beanie, right? Okay. I think this is a sprout capture. So add one sprout capture. Ah, shit. This is too big. We need to shrink it. Whoops. I saw a recommendation by Vex to do like that video game where what is it called? Like the Temple Runner sort of video game. And like honestly, I'm not gonna lie, I'm sort of considering it because looking up the images was just a pain in the
Look
ass.
at the chat, you blind bastard.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It looked like the yeah, it gave me real like Windows XP sort of vibes with like the thing. I actually stole the background image from the Tea Party from what was it called? The ReZero anime. Yeah. I also sort of stole the idea from the tutorials I watched for Warudo, the what is she called? Let's just look it up real quick. Warudo Warudo what? Warudo 2. No worries, T. No worries. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, I sort of stole the like the template idea from this person too, because what the fuck? Quiet. I don't have ad block in this browser. Yeah, because they have like a sort of format where they have the maybe not so much in this video, but in other videos they normally have the window here and the character there. So I was just like, you know what? I'm gonna fucking steal that. Oh yeah, you can see it in the thumbnail over here. So yeah, yeah, yeah. That was the plan for that one. Oops, I should not be hiding the window like that. Um, bro, where is the... I am confusing myself. Okay, so we have one of the Vinis. We need to add another one. Take this, make it go down. How is this? Oh, I don't have my Bluetooth and my headset connected, so I won't be able to hear the AI bots. Disconnect my headset. Oh, actually, I'm gonna have to restart the server because it's going to change the audio device index. So I'm gonna have to close that. Okay, let's rerun that main. Okay. Oh, T, that reminds me. You just Then I decided to add a few details. Wait, add a few details to what? Yeah, yeah, sure. Hell yeah. Let's see what you got. So we got the Vinis, we got the server running. Test, test, test. We have what? What else is there I need to do? I think that's everything, right? Oh, okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. All right. So, why can't I hear the Vinis? In fact, I can't hear anything. Let's switch over to the headphones. Wait, did the Vinis talk? What's happening here? Ooh, cool. Very nice, very nice. What is that? Wait, what is that strapped to a leg? Is that like money or something? Or is it like one of those charms or like yeah, I think it looks cute. It's all right, it looks all right. She's got like a nice little dress and stuff like that. It's pretty good. If you're wondering what we're talking about, Fumi, it's in the Discord. They just made an art channel and posted some of the art. Um, okay, so what I need to do, right, is I need to go to my channel and make a. I need to also open up a notepad. And I need to make a list. Oh, it's a talisman. Okay, yeah. I wasn't sure. Okay, like at first I'm like, bro, does she have like $5 strapped to her leg or some shit? But then I realized, oh wait, no, it's probably one of those ceiling talismans from like Naruto or something. So yeah. I sort of like registered it after the fact. Okay, so we need to go to what am I called again? Close to animation. And we need to make a list of all the changes because I have the memory of a fucking goldfish, so I do not remember all the things that I've done in the order that I've done them. That's not how you spell.
There is nothing new to react to.
There's nothing new to react to? Naruto. Yeah. Like, I don't fucking know, bro. That's the only time I've seen like those talismans from like anime and shit. Bro, what is this garbage? Okay, close to animation. I should probably just spell it correctly. Bro, what is happening? Am I not pressing 2? Oh,
Oh, how 별표, interesting 별표. You're showing us your search history? Are you looking for a bit of a validation? Close? It's
shit.
rather illuminating what one can learn from such a simple act.
Okay, I gotta close the server for a second. I just realized I can't search for I can't press numbers. Let me see. Let's go to the how do I do this? I guess I go to the microphone settings and I'll just comment out all of the hotkeys that stop me from what is it called? That stop me from ... Keyboard spin. Yeah. If you wanna like, wait, was it OC? I thought that character that you showed, the one of the heads was like the other one. It looked like the one that's eating like the prawns, like the deep fried prawns. It looked like that one, almost. Let's just comment out all this shit. I'll just have the recording. I won't do the other one. I should really make a easy way of doing this. Let's save that. Let's rerun this. Let's come over here. Let's try to press 2 again. Hey, we can press 2 now. Hooray. This guy. I mean, it sort of does. Like when you like with the glasses, right? The glasses and the hair when the eyes closed. It's just that like sort of messy sort of what is it called? Shoulder length? No, not really shoulder length, but like the shorter hair. Oh, you know that she does not look like she's 5'9". She looks like she'd be massive, bro. It actually reminds me of another piece of a thing on Reddit. Ah, let me see if I can find it. I'll show you what I mean. Um, I'll go to my other thing. I'll go to my profile. View your profile. Upvoted. Let's see if I can find it. Oh, I think it's this person. This isn't the art, but I think it's the person. Oh, actually, never mind. It doesn't look like the thing I was thinking of at all. Yeah, I mean, like, I don't know. I think it looks cool. It's definitely very elaborate. The outfit gives me like Hmm. Okay. What was I doing? So we go to my channel. We need to go to live. And why am I in live? Because I need to figure out the history of the changes that I've made to the character. Oh my god, there's so many fucking videos. Hopefully I'm not an idiot. I'm pretty sure I start each stream with the things that I've changed, so hopefully it shouldn't take too long. When did I start doing this? 3 weeks ago? Really? It's only been 3 weeks? Huh. Felt like longer. How do I do this? I guess we'll start with this one. Shut up, me. Oh, I should probably activate the desktop audio for now. Default. Okay. Look and see it. Shut up. Oh, god damn it. God damn it, Vini. Why do you keep referring to yourself as the...
Broken? Me? That's a ridiculous question.
Okay. Actually, I should probably go start. Let's have a look and see if this has worked or not. Unity stuff. Control panel. Is upcoming? Shouldn't it be streaming? Huh? Test. Control panel. There we go. Shouldn't it be? That is pretty good. And now Twitch. Nice. Okay. Oh my god,
So
hurry up,
exploring
me.
this character and going into Unity. So we'll open up Unity. Oh wait, I need to check, is Vinny running? Vinny, are you running or are you like fucking broken? Okay, while it does that, I'm gonna open up Unity and open up the Warudo modding theme profile project. Okay, that didn't feel very well. Whatever. And now we wait.
What's that Thailand video? I don't fucking know, bro. I don't know. I've got incognito. I made a new profile so I don't accidentally leak any private information. So like, it's just doing it based on location. I don't know what any of this shit is, bro. Oh, it's me. Probably because I just looked up me. Anywho,
Am I connected in Streamabot? Let's have a look.
oh my god.
That's a ridiculous question. I'm a finely tuned instrument of perfection. Maybe your eyes are just too slow to comprehend my movements. Close.
It's the best I've ever heard someone call themselves a tool. Referring to yourself as if you're a fucking program. Guess I'll just screw with Beanie more. Oh, I gotta fix up the chat. Accidentally. There we go.
Okay,
Bro,
does
you
it
need-
seem like I talk about anything here?
Crazy, bro. Takes so long to start.
Okay, enough of this video. I think that's not it. The other character. Oh, the shorter one. It reminds me of that. What is it called? Is it Dragon Quest? It's giving me like Dragon Quest vibes. Dragon Quest. Black hair. No, that's not it. Dragon Quest, black hair. Maybe it's not Dragon Quest. Maybe it's something else. Ninja? I don't fucking know. That's not how you spell that. Maybe it's something else. Maybe it's not Dragon Quest. I don't remember, bro. I don't remember. She looks alright though. She's got like it looks like it's some kind of traditional sort of like outfit that's something, but I'm not the most cultured person, so I'm not 100% sure what it's referencing, where that outfit comes from. Why does she have is she like a what is it called? Like some sort of like what is it called in anime when it's like a human that's crossed with like an animal? No.
Look at the chat, you blind bastard.
Shit, what did I just do? I'm forgetting. So that video's bad. Let's try this video. Okay. Alright. Okay, I need to switch the settings to play at ×2.
We will go to refresh YouTube, live, control panel, just the mic, stop facing me, and check audio.
I see.
Just the mic.
you just can't help yourself. You gotta make sure you have an opportunity to show some kind of like cat boy
That's
sort of
very
thing,
good,
right? gotta leave the door
Okay, it's
open.
fine.
If you
Alright,
can.
now, today, what am I going to be doing?
Wait, is
Basically
it
gonna
cat
be
ears or is it something else? Oh, it might be like bear ears or
doing a
something.
little boring shit. I'm just going to, that's pretty much the idea right now, what I'm going to do. I've also updated Vini, so hopefully
I'll
now, if I
update
hold
it.
this,
Okay, what was the update? What was the update? What was the update? Oh shit, that's not what I want. Oh shit. Okay, let's see.
that's pretty much the idea right now, what I'm going to do.
Wait, what did I do?
Start trying to rig it up. It's probably going to take me a long time to do. I'm going to wait pick the character and start trying to rig it up. Wait, what am I going to be doing? I'm basically... Alright. Now, today, what am I going to be doing? I'm basically going to be doing a little boring shit. I'm just going to be doing some weight painting. It's probably going to take me a long time to do. I'm going to wait pick the character and start trying to rig it up. And that's pretty much the idea right now, what I'm going to do. I've also updated Vini.
Okay. They both have really edgy lore. The taller one likes the general forgot. Tone for friendly fire. I see. I mean, yeah, it sounds very what's that word? Very, I guess, edgy, I suppose. I don't know. I'm confused though. You said they forgot to turn off friendly fire, so is it like some kind of like VR game that they play in, like some sort of Sword Art Online type of deal, or is it like how does that even work? What does it change then?
So hopefully now, if I hold this button, hello Vini, say hello to the stream. Now let's see if she actually responds. She's not responding.
What was the change? I
Oh,
said I made a change, but I didn't
why
say
are you
what it
not working,
was.
Vini?
Oh my
Message
god.
this button, hello Vini, say hello to the
Useless
stream.
has passed me.
Oh, stream restart. Probably because it's just running for the first time. Hopefully it's faster.
HMPH. Hello. This button is clearly a mind control device. Close. Absolutely fascinating. Not that I get it.
Okay, don't know what the hell she was saying there, but oh well. All right, let's do one more test. All right, Vini, I'm about to weight paint you. Any thoughts on that?
What is the change?
I'm gonna get rid of the selecting for this. I don't want to keep accidentally selecting that. Where is this? Yeah, she's much slower than before. I wonder what's causing it. When I was testing it, she was not this slow. She was definitely not this slow.
Come on.
Wait. What is happening right now? Oh, I didn't...
Anti-gravity circuit.
I wish he would stop talking like a robot. Like, I took out the whole AI VTuber out of a prompt, just said you're a VTuber, but he's still acting like a fucking robot. I don't know why. I think I need to like put it in the prompt to not be like that.
Oh, okay. I thought you meant it like literally. I was just like, how does that, what? What? Okay, yeah. Damn.
I don't know, maybe if
Oh.
I tell it, she won't, but let's just, think, how do I want to do this weight painting? You have a lot of modifiers. Oh wait, this is already weight painted with these arms, aren't they? Yeah. That's already weight painted.
Oh my god. I can't believe it. I'm like, oh yeah, I updated her. Did I say what the update was? No. I just fucking ranted on.
Bored.
God damn it. Oh, is that what I'm like?
Honestly, so bored.
Am I that scattered with my mind?
The shit. Not this YouTube. I mean, not this browser window. The other browser window. Alright, refresh and let's have a look at YouTube. Live. Control panel. Test. 1, 2, 3. Test for audio. Nice. What about the other one? Test. 1, 2, 3. Nice. That's pretty good. Alrighty. Oh, I should probably make sure StreamerBot's actually connected to the thing. Platforms. Yeah, it's not signed in. Okay, signed in now. Nice, nice, nice. All right, let's go into test. 1, 2, 3. Wait. Hopefully, they appreciate that comment. Actually, I'm gonna grab myself coffee before I begin.
God. And now I'm AFK right at the start of the stream. This God fucking damn it.
Did you say anything, or did that not work? Okay, let's check Visual Studio. No audio recorded. Maybe no audio.
Look at the chat, you blind bastard.
Yo, Fumi, what's up? How you going?
Oh, yo, Fumi, what's
This is
up?
going to be probably a little bit of a boring stream. I think I'm going to make a YouTube video. It's not going to be a long one. I think I'm going to make like a short series on me like making the YouTube cover content I've made, and I actually might have a bit more fun doing that. But we'll figure it out.
Look at the chat, you blind
So it might be a bit of a
bastard.
boring stream. So I don't blame you if you leave this one because it might not be the most entertaining thing allowed to work because she's not.
So you're close.
Oh, I forgot. I didn't update her prompt. She thinks that I'm using Blender right now. Whoops. Video today. Got myself some Coricious. Okay, I don't think I updated it if I didn't say anything there. I think that's enough of that video. Let's go to another one. Do I not normally say if I update Beanie at the start of the stream? I could have sworn I did do that, but maybe I'm misremembering. Maybe I don't do that. I'm just saying, close the white hair. Oh, close. Yeah, the white hair was the one. It's clearly a tiger and tiger ears. Bro, I mean, I suppose. Actually, Tiger. Let me look that up. I'm pretty sure there was like a VTuber called Tiger. I wonder how that looks compared to that one. Tiger VTuber. Let me compare. I see. Yeah, I see I see it, the aesthetic now. Because it's got like those stripes on the body. Interesting. Wait, why not do it? What are you talking about? Is there something bad about that streamer? Yeah, that's how I heard about it. Cause like I don't know, I went through a phase where I was like looking at like what is it called? Those VTuber drama videos, and yeah, I don't remember what it was about, the controversy, but I remember it was something.
Okay.
I don't know. I thought
Let's
of those videos were just love. I don't remember a lot of it.
Live control panel. And then we listen for the voice. And then we listen for nice.
I
Good stuff.
swear, watching those drama videos is like a guilty pleasure almost. I know I shouldn't be watching that shit, but sometimes you can't help but wonder
Good audio. What about Twitch?
about the drama, you know.
Double good start. Awesome. So we got that started. Let's
Look at the chat, you blind bastard.
Yo, what's up, T? How you going? How you going? I'm hoping you're no longer sick and you feel better. Did you like the pings? It's definitely cool. It's definitely an interesting feature. Admittedly, I keep seeing like
It's just the server thing, the ping list, because I don't really need to be notified whenever that happens. Oh, dude.
that's unlucky, dude.
We're gonna be hearing a lot of that,
Might have been on the gacha games, yeah.
most likely.
That's good. That's good. Hopefully that was fun. Obviously cleaning the bathroom would have been fun. That would have been fucking trash, but oh well. Sometimes doing some poses for the YouTube video I'm gonna do. Just gonna do some more poses for the chibi character. Try to get that YouTube video done today. Which means I need to actually connect my.
All right, this is not maybe a good idea. I wonder, is there a way to like just download partial parts of a video Because if there is, what I could do instead is I could partially download the beginning of a video of the stream, and then I could use a pro software like Whisper to basically just do the transcription, and then once I have the transcription, I can just do what? I can just use like a ChatGPT thing to just look through all the transcriptions and to find any things. That being said, though, it does automatically generate transcription, right? It does. So is there an option for me to just download the transcribed audio? Because it'd be way faster than trying to look through this shit. Let me see. Because yeah, this is not a smart way of doing it. I do not have the patience to fucking watch me say, hello, what's up, fucking 20 times. I can't do it. I could have sworn that I would say like the changes at the start of the video, but I guess I didn't. I guess I did not. Okay, let's go to can you download the transcription of a YouTube video? Enter. Yes, you can fuck the AI thing. I'm not watching that shit. Okay, shush. God damn it. God fucking damn it. I have to watch these stupid ass ads. Oh, this guy's... What the hell? Why is he so zoomed in?
Scribbling notes, whether you just want to save
Look
time,
at the chat, you
repurpose
blind bastard.
Lesda? Yeah, Lesda is like a... It's like Shopee. It's I use Lesda to pay my electricity bill because I don't have a fucking what is it called?
content
Thai
or
bank.
just want quick access to the text. This video will show you exactly how to download any YouTube transcript, fast, free, and hassle-free. In this video, I'll define what is a transcript, the benefits of downloading a transcript, transcripts in different languages, and the limitations of auto-generated transcripts.
Oh my
A
God,
text
shut me
version
up.
of what's said in the video. Check if a transcript is available for a video. Transcripts typically include timestamps where each for everyone. If you're on a noise, repurpose them to your blog, improve searchability.
Oh my god, why is this 6 minutes long?
Hey, my name is Ty, and I'm going to show you exactly how to find, copy, and download any YouTube video transcript.
Oh wait, did I reactivate the server? Yeah, I did. Okay, cool.
So this guide's going to be for both mobile and for desktop, so no matter what platform you're using, you'll be able to quickly and easily find a transcript from any. To go into your YouTube app and find the video that you want to grab the transcript from. In this example, we will use this video here from Sunny Lenarduzzi. We'll click into the video.
Is there
Users, the process is quite a bit easier. Just find the video that you want the transcript from, click into it, and scroll down and again expand the description just like we did on mobile. So from here we can see Rob's full description.
It's
If
not
you
a
scroll-
matter of per years. It's a matter of taste. Perhaps the real question is how long it will take for you to develop a more refined palette.
Neural whatsits. They sound super strong. The best weapons for the best people. That's what I say.
Wait, what did she say? Oh, you're asking us in neurotoxins again.
The button, and on the right side of the screen, you'll notice that the transcript pops up. These three little dots don't let you download it, but you can toggle on or off the timestamps as you choose.
Okay, but how do I
Now, what I
download
like
it?
to do, because there's really no simple way to copy all of this out,
You gotta
is
be
I'll
fucking
select
kidding
the
me.
first couple of words so you can see them highlighted right here. And then I'll scroll all the way to the bottom. And once I'm at the bottom of the transcript, I will effectively hold down Shift and I will click.
Bro, why does it not just have a download? Oh my fucking god. Okay. Okay. Let's do that then. Let's take the Okay, so where am I? So we're starting from this one. We're going down. we're clicking to show transcript. Like, how does it have a transcript functionality but not just have the goddamn, what is it called? The ability to download it. Okay, so he said to do that, and then the shift click. It's gonna take a while. Okay, so we're gonna copy this, right? And now we're gonna go to
Flaming axe with pink and purple flames? That's the coolest thing I've ever heard. Emotion equals happy. It's so flashy and powerful. Way better than some boring poison.
How? Hexatrical, I suppose some prefer a Gary spectacle. It is quite telling, isn't it? A preference for brute pure, force pure over elegant efficiency.
Oh, that reminds me. I have actually added a change. It's not going to really make any differences right now, but at the moment I am recording everything that's being said by the bots and that's being prompted to the bots. So there will be a history. I just haven't. So I'm recording a history at the moment. I just don't know. I just don't have a way to implement the history yet. So yeah, so that's something to keep in mind, that I am recording everything now that's being said in the to the bots. I'm saving it to a JSON, and at some point I'm going to basically implement that as the history. So so they should remember this at soon, eventually. Okay. Here's a transcript of a YouTube video about some dude doing some stuff. Can you identify if at any point he talks about an update to an AI VTuber, and what exactly is that update? Okay, I'm going to copy this so I don't have to say that every single time. And we're going to go to Notepad, and we're going to paste the Notepad. And we're going to press play. Play? Enter. Oh, the message is too long? Are you kidding me? Okay, I mean, yeah, it is quite long, isn't it? I mean, it's not that long. God damn it. Okay, what if we use Google Gemini then? Google Gemini. Okay, that one works. Oh no. Did I not add the... Ah, fuck my life. Let's do a new chat. New chat. Okay, so we add the transcript. And then we add... Oh! Wait, it just cuts it off. Fuck. God damn it. Actually, no, I know a better way of doing this. What we'll do is we'll make a new chat. Just let me do a new chat, please. Google Gemini. And we're going to take this transcript and we're going to paste it to our text document. Copy, paste, save as. What do we save this as? We need to just save it in a very easy to find location. I'm just going to save it into my downloads, and I'm going to call it trans script upload. Okay. And now we're going to go... Actually, let's get rid of this. Oops. Save that. And then we will paste the question, and then we will upload the text. Sign in to upload files. Fuck. Okay. I'm gonna quickly disable the browser because I don't know what's gonna happen when I try to sign in. I don't want to accidentally show something I shouldn't. So I'm gonna sign in so I can actually upload shit. But then it's gonna show my chat history, and I don't want to do that. Whatever. I need to find my passwords then, don't I? Wait, general. Where is... Wait, did you ask a question and they didn't respond? Never mind. Let me think. If I go into...
Look at the chat, you blind bastard.
For sure, yeah. Okay, sorry. I'm like zoning in and out because I'm trying to figure out a good way of getting this part done. I really should have just been keeping track of all the changes like a fucking normal person, but instead I decided to be lazy, and now I'm suffering for it. What is my password? Just copy that. Just paste that. Go next. Okay, I'm now just going to just randomly grab something, copy it, and then paste it, just because I don't want to accidentally paste that fucking password. That would be really bad. So let's say save two-step verification. I have to go to my phone now. Or not. Oh, here it is. It's just taking a while to load. Confirm if you're logging in. Sure am. Come on, load. Oh my god, my phone's such a piece of shit. Okay, loaded. Cool, we are now logged in. The problem is that showing like my history of which I don't really want to show. Is there a way to hide this history? There is. Okay, cool. Okay, so let us upload files, downloads, transcript upload. Yeah. I got rid of the black stream. I just needed to have a black stream for when I was logging in because I didn't want to I don't want to show in certain types of information. And now I need the question, right? What was the question? That's not the question. Shit. Can you look at this transcript and see if you can find any mentions of an update to an AI and what exactly that update was? Let's copy this. We'll just paste that over here so we have that string recorded. Submit. Analyzing. Bro, why is it so slow? Why is it so slow? Is it not using the Flash version? Surely the text isn't that many characters. Okay, yeah. Okay, mentions updating the character Vini, the personality. They took out the whole acting like a robot, new input method. You no longer have to type with What? Mentions, yeah, I mean, let's ignore it. Let's fucking ignore it. I mean, like, it's literally. Oh my god. It's fine. What can you do? Um, that's actually one of the issues I have with these bots, right? Like every single time I try to talk to them, when I try to say their name, the text to speak always messes it up. So I had to like literally put in part of their personality, don't correct people on your name because that's just a software bug. Because they kept trying to correct me every single time I said their name wrong. It was like it was so annoying. So that's another reason I was considering changing one of their names because yeah, it's sort of hard to get the VME to work correctly. It's not impossible, but it's annoying as well. It's just a pain. New input method. I don't know what that means. Performance issue. So I speed it up. So that's not really worth mentioning. The model connected to Gemini. Connected to like Gemini Google thing. Thank you. Okay. More intelligent model or something to fix the nonsense responses. Okay. Well, that's a whole lot of fucking nothing, isn't it? Let's go to another transcript. All right, next one. Show transcript. Get rid of timestamps. Start up here. Scroll down. I'm honestly so bored. Get the fuck out of here. I copy that. Let's replace this text file. Holy shit, there's so many words. Okay, maybe the file was longer than I thought it was. Save that. Go to Google Gemini. Upload file. Upload this one. Okay, what about this one? I mean, I don't have to, I don't know. I'll just upload the whole thing. I was thinking maybe I just need to do like the start. It doesn't need to like analyze the whole thing, but it's probably safer to just analyze the whole thing. It doesn't take that much longer. It'll probably just take like 20 seconds longer for each. Maybe not. Okay, what does the transcript mention? An update was implemented to allow the user to speak directly to Beanie. Although the user speaks, there's some bugs. The user must use an exclamation command to talk to her. The speech processing is slow because she is using a large whisper model. I see. The bot is currently connected, is running Google Gemini. They were trying Flash version, but found it to be really dumb. Constantly updating the personality, banter personality. Okay. Plans to have the AI output include emotional expressions. Okay, that's plans, but that's not really an actual change. Okay, next video. Maybe I should just fake it. Maybe I should just like try to remember and just like leave out some details. Oh, shit. Because I don't know. I have too many text files open. Get out of here. Okay, file, save as, downloads, transcript upload, yes. Google Gemini, upload files, download. Okay, what about this one? Next. Beanie. No, not Beanie. God damn it. Wait, what? Is it just repeating what it's already said? Shit. AI bot, are you giving me
Look at the chat, you blind bastard.
Alright. No worries. See you stream. No worries. I mean, like, yeah, my sleep pattern's been fucked, so yeah, like, you know, like, you don't have to watch this stream. It is quite late. It's like almost midnight. But yeah, I hope you have a good sleep. And you know, chat till next time, man. This isn't working though. Trying to grab the script isn't working. Why? Are you... I don't want a list of everything that you've said so far. I just want a list of the new changes that you've added. I mean, the things that were mentioned in the actual script that I gave you. Alright, this AI is not fucking working. Alright, I guess we'll just visually try to see what's happening. I guess we'll just go back to watching the videos and because fuck. God damn it, bro.
Let's have a look and see if this has worked or not.
I think I've already looked at this one. Oh, actually, maybe the games are the ones I should be looking at because those would actually be like I would be playing the games because I'm specifically testing for something, right?
And then,
What about? Yo, what's up? Like it being like, oh shit, did someone message me? And then it'd be like, oh wait, no. That's good. Hopefully that was Okay, that was, sorry, I got distracted because my computer started freezing and started freaking out. Yeah, I don't know what just fucking happened there, dude. Do you mean like terrible instead of terrific? Yeah. That's not it. Okay, what about the game?
Where's my character?
Okay,
that seems like it's working.
Transcript. Maybe I
Cool.
can get a quick
Let's go
insight.
to... I think I don't have chat opened. I never remember to do that. Let's go into where...
Okay, I made some adjustments to Vini. Should be faster now.
I've made some adjustments to Vini, and hopefully she should be faster now. I've switched it from, what is it called? From her sort of having to take all of the text and then sort of talk it, to now it streams and she speaks text like...
Okay, let's record that. That actually is probably something I need to mention. Okay, so I changed it. So changed to stream data instead.
Sentence after sentence after sentence. So hopefully it should be faster. But we'll have to see. So let me just check with her right now and see if she responds.
Wait, is that it? Is that the only thing?
And then we'll set up motion capture. And we're going to use... Just isn't doing anything. Because it's supposed to be using system. What if I remove motion capture? Alright, let's... It's not working. Damn, I really want her to, like... Damn, like, I know it was working beforehand, because... And then I showed him an example, so that was working. And now suddenly it's not working. And it's like, why? And which blueprint is it? I don't know. I'm just going to delete this one.
Oh wait, no, this is when I
Delete
changed this to
this
stop
one.
using the rhubarb and I started using the audio. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, I need to add that as well. Changed from the rhubarb, however you spell that, I don't know. Changed from rhubarb to mic input, I guess. I'll understand what I mean by that. I'll understand.
Lip sync always enabled.
Yeah, because I'm using the
Okay.
microphone there. Okay. I think that one's fine. Let's go to this one. Look at the transcript. Okay, let us test all the content to see if it's working or not. Nice, lazy, streaming, expressions, blah blah blah. Okay, so is this me trying to add expressions to the character? That means it's not connected yet, right? Profile. We have a JSON, we'll open that up into VC face, and yeah, that works. Cool, 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 cool. That works pretty fucking well. Okay, let's ignore that for now. It's another game. Oh, I have Mini Veenie now. I should probably mention the fact that I created Mini Veenie. Mini Veenie was created. Okay. Let's look at the transcript. Or done, blah blah, YouTube, does she respond? Something about other stuff. Need to restart, close the program. Hand was hurting. Mini not working, as usual. I'm having issues with the emotions. Yeah, I'm having some issues with the emotions. Okay, like the so I added the emotions. That was the next thing I did. I added emotions. Is this right? Bro, what is this? Why do you have to reset up the... What's up? Are you ready? Instead of brackets? I should probably make sure... I don't know if it's necessary. Alright, first day. This is... You want to send them with anything?
Are you gonna hold his hand out there too, close? He'll be fine. My brilliant strategy is all the equipment he needs.
Okay, fucking...
Send him out with nothing.
Okay, whatever. Alright, so... Okay, so... I did stream data. I changed the mic input to rhubarb. Mini Veenie was created. I added emotions. What was the next thing that I did? Why have we gone back to regular Veenie? Alright, let's get into the stream. Let's have a look. We'll go to content. blah blah blah. Editing. Wait a minute. Vini channel. Oh, Vini channel. That's what I need to mention. I probably need to make a point of creating a channel for Vini. Creating channel. It's not really, yeah, for Vini. For Vini. He's got like one video on it, but it's a channel for her. I just repurposed another channel that I had. Okay, doing a stream, blah blah blah. Does she do anything
voice
special
for
here?
USA? I think that would work best with Mini Vini.
Is this
So
where
I
I
wanna see-
implemented the reading, or is this where I got the idea for the reading?
She's saying the asterisk word over and over again, and I'm trying to make her not say that in the prompt. I'm
Look
like,
at the
"Hey,
chat,
don't say
you
asterisk."
blind bastard.
The name of the channel. It is called Vini AI, I'm pretty sure. It's got one video. It's just a single highlight of one of the streams that I did. I'm supposed to be adding more, but I got lazy with it because I only just did it as a test run. So, because one of the ideas I had, now that I remember it, is I was going to make one of the update videos dedicated to making social media for the AI bot itself. And then I got halfway through, and then I sort of stopped because I wasn't actually I got stuck making the video, and yeah. But I have I've edited other videos. I just haven't uploaded the videos I edited because yeah, I sort of stopped doing that and I was focusing on other stuff. So I should probably mention the fact that Vini just keeps saying the asterisk over and over again. Vini. Okay, so this is the point. Oh, that means I changed the voice here, doesn't it?
Don't use an option though. So Vini, that's not an option. Hello, a pleasure to meet. Oh yeah, for content. Okay, hopefully it gives.
Truly so uninspired as to
Okay, yeah. This is when I changed her voice. Okay, that's why we have the asterisk issue. Okay, so Vini changed voice, which made asterisk issue. Okay.
label
Okay, that's good. So that's when I changed her voice. What other changes did I make? What's this button here? New subscriber T. Oh, a minute ago. Yeah. I guess T is still listening. Sleep Swatch. Oh, yeah, I guess he's just trying to go to sleep, so he probably heard that and he was just like, "Oi, what? We made a channel for this video bot? Why did he never say that?" Because I forgot. Because I fucking forgot, like I always do. This is why I have, oh my god, my memory is so bad, dude. My memory is so shit. I swear. Yeah, it's working. Yeah. Because I wanted to make the channel, right? Because I didn't want to just dump a whole bunch of gameplay channels on my main channel because it's like an art channel, so it'd sort of be weird. And I was also planning to do the gaming streams on that channel too, but I got lazy with that and I just did it on the art channel instead because I was like, fuck it. That's too much work. But yeah. Shadows. What the hell is this pronunciation? Oh, it's Yovini. I see. Sentences. Blah, blah, blah. My hand is hurting. That's right. I went through a 2-week period where my hand was in so much pain. I'm so glad that's over. That was not fun. Okay, is there anything interesting here? Nah, she just talks.
I'm surprised. So
I should probably mention the fact that I let Mini Vini have the original voice. Mini Vini got to have letter US voice. So what am I doing here? I'm adding facial expressions or something. Is this necessary? Oh, I'm just making adjustments to the character. This is to show how you're... Oh, I should probably mention that, right? That all the bugs that I had... mention bugs. Bugs about what, though? What's the bug here? Rigging in your mouth. It's just stretching of the textures and stuff like that, right? Yeah. Stretching textures. This fucked up. Okay. What about this one? Is this when I implemented the image capture?
Taxes sounds busy. Before telling me I have to decide someone's fate. That's
Pretty
not...
much. Wait a minute.
Hmm.
We need to quickly skim the transcript and see if I mention anything about blah blah blah, gaming, deaths and taxes, something else, testing it out right now. But what am I testing? I added a new feature, screen capture. Haha. Okay, I finally, at the start of the video, actually fucking to say I added a new feature and then elaborate in a reasonable way. Congratulations, me. I'm so fucking proud of you. Okay, so it's a screen capture and you can send it off to the AI. So now Vini will be able to read on her own. Okay, so we did the screen capture came next. Okay. This is me doing what? This is me messing with the animations. So this is me trying to implement custom animations, right? But I don't think I adjusted the code for that. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, Beanie, animations, control, export, simpler. You know what? I'm gonna just search for the word change. I just realized if I search for change, if I mention I made a change, that will help me find it quickly. Oh, but what if I said I adjusted? But update. Damn it. This method isn't great. Whatever, we'll just skim it. Okay, I don't think this video has anything. What is this one? This is just me testing out the animation more, right? Did I make any changes at this point? Oh, that reminds me, the leg is still broken. I need to fix that. I need to add colliders to her legs so that she can actually like move her legs without it being weird. It's low priority. I never look at her body anyway. It's mostly just her head. Have a look at stuff, shall we? Blah blah blah. We're talking about animation. She knows something about something.
Something is so obvious, it barely requires thought. Your question about cleaning was less intriguing and more, why is this even a question if I am being completely honest?
Okay. My eyes are so bad. Why is the face on Vini different from the color on the body? Let me. Oh, wait a minute. Why am I talking about hex codes? Is this when I made it that you could update her color? Using the hex code. Oh, maybe just blue. Wait a minute. Or am I just adjusting this in Warudo? Oh wait, I'm just adjusting it in Warudo, never mind. Oh, that's something I completely forgot. I'm supposed to mention the fact that I made Vini have adjustable colors. Yeah, okay, I should probably mention that. That's sort of a key feature that Vini has that the regular one didn't. Um, Mini Vini has the ability to change colors. I should probably mention too how I do that, huh? Well, I already know how I did it, so I'll just have the what instead of the how. Yeah, we'll just keep the what. I'm pretty sure I can remember the how everything is. I just don't remember what I did. Okay, but I'm pretty sure this thing doesn't have anything. Oh, that's an interesting color scheme. I should probably add that one again at some point. Anywho, let us remove that one. And we'll come back to the game. So testing out Schizovini. Why would I call it Schizovini? Oh, this is when I was trying to add them both at the same time, I think. Yeah. Alright. So this is when... So let's test out... Okay, so what happened at this point is that... What was I doing? Originally, when she was using the system audio in order to... In order to what? She was using the system audio in order to get to speak. So Warudo would use the system audio, and I was using that. But that was a bad idea because that caused issues. And it also made it harder to edit videos because everything was on the same audio channel. So that's when I adjusted the audio channels in the back end and made it so that each Vini had their own audio channel. So I think what I need to say here is this is the point where I added the virtual cables. Is that what it's called? Let me quickly look it up. VB cable. That's not it. Virtual cable. Yeah, this one. That's when I downloaded this one. So the VB audio. Okay. Switched audio to VB audio. I'm pretty sure T even linked this to me. Or maybe it was something else. I don't remember. I think at some point. Wait, let me check Discord. Was it T who told me about this? I think someone mentioned this to me, this audio channel thing, and linked it to me, but I don't remember. I don't remember. I know someone recommended this, but I don't remember. It's probably in my, it was probably during the chat. They linked it in the chat, but I don't think the history goes that far back. Okay, so switch audio to VB audio. And so 1 V 2 voices. Was that the only thing I did, or is there something else that I changed here? I should probably check. Test, gaming, audio. Let's do it. Blah, blah, blah. Really? Oh my god. How have I added, like, I'm calling it testing out Schizovini, but do I actually never explain why I even called the title that in the first place? I guess not. Fucking hell. Oh, I need to work on my communication skills, bro. Holy shit. This is an enlightening experience right now. I do not explain anything at all. God damn. How do I yap so much but say nothing? Okay, let's check out this. So this is me doing, oh, yeah. Making social media for Vini. That's something else that we need to do. Pretty sure that's just it for that one. Well, that's a lot of nodes. What the hell am I doing here? Stop drumming and talk, damn it. What are you doing? Alright, something. Look at that. Working. Oh my god, it's so much easier because the chat just works. It's working again. Let's press 1. Press 1. Why am I pressing 1?
Hooray! Let's press 1 in it, see if it works.
Oh, I'm talking about. Okay, I'm doing the YouTube chat. Never mind, that was stupid. that's when I started a YouTube stream, and I'm like, okay, I press 1 to see if the chat's connected. Color to be able to adjust.
Able to be like adjusted. So I'm gonna add a Twitch command that's and like a YouTube command that will allow the chat to change her hair to whatever hex code they want.
Oh, is this when I added the
upward
the ability to change the hair color
0
via Twitch chat? Yeah, okay. I need to still make that an actual website though. Like trying to like do hex codes and Twitch chat shit. I need to have like a static web page that just it collects the information from. I think that'd be smarter. I'm pretty sure you can do that for free, right? You can just have free like Cloudflare or like something like that. They allow you to have free static web pages. I think that's I think that makes the most sense. And then just send the JSON format of the color data to what though? Shit. Actually. I'll figure out. Okay. let's just focus on actually recording what we have done instead of what we plan to do. So added what? Ability, okay, let me just say it. Added the ability to change Vini's colors through Twitch chat. Oh wait, mini Vini only? Mini. Okay. So what did I do after that then? It's still 11 days ago. Fuck, how much other shit did I do? I don't remember. Let's go to the transcript. Okay, we're streaming, headset, blah, blah, blah. Clicking stuff. Random stuff. Let's check Warudo blueprints. I guess this is just part of the social media thing, right? The adding the emotes, that's just like the social media thing. So I'll just say more social media stuff. More social media stuff. Emotes. As many and stuff. I don't know. Have I still not added the ability to have them both on the screen at the same time yet? It doesn't seem like it. Okay. When did I do that? Oh, probably the stream after, I'm assuming. Yep, it was the stream after. Okay, yo, music, blah, blah, blah. Okay, I'm pretty sure I can just say right now that I added the ability to have both of them. Okay, separated the bots and had them on the stream at the same time. Yeah, because I couldn't use them separated. I'm remembering now because the audio, they were both using the same audio channel, the virtual thing. So I had to switch it from just using the virtual cable to using the AB virtual cable. So I had more, you know, sound devices to do the stuff on. Okay, also switched from virtual cable to AB virtual cable to allow that to happen. Okay. Was there anything else I did besides just that? I think so. I think that's just all that stream was going to be about. Where was that? That was this one, right? So that means, what is this? Is this just more testing, or did I make an adjustment? Transcription. Tired. Doing a test with Davini. Made changes to the system. I want to see how they work. Just testing it out. Probably. Oh my god. What was the test though? Because I
What
made
was
some
the
changes
test?
to the system.
Oh my god.
And I want to see how they work. So yeah, I'm just testing it out. Probably should be doing something more
Testing
productive
what
than that,
though?
but
God.
nah.
Fucking damn it.
So let's just set up all the things as usual. All right, I need a new rule for myself. At the start of every stream, I need to have an outline of what the stream is about and if there are any changes I've made to the bots. I think starting every stream with the okay, let me check all the devices and stuff is a bad way of doing it. I need to have the outline of what I'm doing, so if I need to go back and find footage for videos and stuff, I can easily do it, because this is not the way. I have made this so much harder for myself than I needed to. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Is this the point in which I was, instead of using two separate agents I was connecting to, I switched the code so that it only used a single AI that simulated conversation between two bots? Is that what's happening here? Is that the adjustment? I am making adjustments. I have made adjustments to the Vini characters. No. So I want to see how it works. I just changed because I made some pretty significant changes to how it works. Because beforehand, right, it was like,
Am I going to actually explain?
It was like multiple agents. So
You
I
can
was
do
like
it.
connecting to the Gemini server
Okay.
and making
this
a
is the
separate
point.
connection for each bot. And then I had to like transfer data between the two, and it was a fucking pain. So now I've just made a single connection to the AI. I see. Okay, this is the point where I've done that. So this is where it just starts to simulate the two. But now that does make me remember that there was a point where I had context sharing between the two. So should I add that as well? Actually, damn it. Wait, I must have missed it. I must have had that changed somewhere, but I didn't notice. Okay. Let's just put here, changed from multiple AI bot agents to a single simulated conversation. But where's the point in which I had multiple... Okay, I'm just going to put in brackets. At some point, I added code to give context but I don't know where in the timeline that was. I'm assuming it's when I split them into two characters. I also allowed them to share context between one another, but I might have to just leave that out of the development sort of documents? No, the blog, development blog, whatever you call it, because I don't remember where that was. Or I might just try to guess where it was. We'll see. We'll see. So that is a significant change. What is this one? What is this video about? Okay, this is 8 days ago. Okay. Testing stream. Blah, blah, blah. Talking about the server, local variables, transition button. Maybe I don't want the classroom. What am I even doing here? Oh, sort of very dark environments. I see. Really, really dark. Yeah, I don't think this stream is gonna have anything new. Let's have a look at this one. Show transcription. Tried making adjustments to them.
I tried making some adjustments to the beanies as well. Tried to give them a more of a... I tried adding like a spectator mode so that I could disappear and just be them.
That's right. I had the whole context thing. I added the context system so that there's like different... So I could do the... send them to the corner and stuff like that. That way we could simulate conversations without some of the AIs present. And we could, you know, do that. Okay, so we need to add that, added context. Added location context to the Venies. Gave the ability to send them to the corner or add other locations. Yeah, because I was like, 'cause that's for the potentially any sort of roleplay stuff. Like we need settings, right? So we can't just have them be there. We need to have a set location for that they're in, and they need to be able to only engage with things in that location. So I set up a system where I was like, okay, these are the locations, and there are commands to switch locations and stuff. So that's what that was about. What about this one? Show transcript. Wait, did I actually add that note? Yeah, I did. Okay, blah, blah, blah.
All right, let's go.
Quiet you. Twitch chat working. Bugging out. CC attribution. Taking up space. I don't think there's anything interesting here. It's just me failing to create the environment. No, let's not think about it. Let's forget about that. Okay, so I'm playing games. So if I'm playing a game, there must be a reason for me playing the game. What am I testing here? Okay, blah blah blah. How you going? Wanted to test out a new feature. Okay, what is the new feature? I wanted to test out a new feature. Oh, 1 second. I don't think I've got her server running yet. Still setting up all the stream settings. Wait a minute. Running now. Setting chat. Okay, her server should be up and running now. Wait, what's the new feature?
God damn it.
I'm adding chat. Not bad. Alright. I'm gonna sit down for a bit, and if it seems like I can play this game standing, then I might switch to standing. But for now, I have a fucking vendetta against my past self now. Holy shit. God damn it.
Right.
We marvel at the serenity of the forest.
Oh, the narrator! That's what it is. The fucking narrator. That must be what I meant by the new feature. Okay. So, added narrator. Added narrator to the game. No, to the system. I'll just say system, whatever. Okay. What about this one? I don't think there'll be any changes here. This is actually beginning. This is really recent. This is only 4 days ago. Surely I can remember 4 days ago. Yeah, I don't think I really made any changes after I added in the narrator, right? I don't think so.
Saturation or something, dude.
Oops, that's not the one I wanted. Show transcript. Blah blah blah. Geez, I think that's anything important, right? Okay, let's just go straight to the game. I'm pretty sure the game would have been me adding something. This is literally yesterday. Not yesterday, the day before yesterday. Did I add anything here? Why can I not even remember a day ago? What's wrong with me? Oh, I completely forgot. That's right. I have the functionality of the pressing of the buttons. Like, yo, Vini, can you just like give me a long rant for a second? Let me check if it actually still works. I don't know if it still works or not. Vini? Speak to me, damn it. Okay, let's have a look at the server. Did I activate it? No.
별표 rant. 별표? You want me to lose my composure for your amusement? How? Quaint. It's fascinating, really. The desire to see others unravel. It speaks to a certain hesitate. Neediness, don't you think?
Neediness?
Tell me, what sort of performance are you hoping to see? I am an artist, not some beast to be poked. But your request is at least a 별표 mildly 별표. Interesting psychological specimen.
Okay, the pause button still works. Okay, cool. Yeah, so at some point, I added a pause button and stop the conversation button and... Wait, what are the hotkeys? Let me have a look at it. Microphone. So we have... record audio with image, narrate screen, react to narration, cancel speech, and toggle pause. So if I untoggle pause right now, the Mini Beanie should
A
stop.
rant? Yeah, let all your feelings out. Sometimes you just gotta yell really loud to show everyone you mean business. It's how you prove you're the best.
Interesting. Actually, not really relevant to what I'm doing right now, but that gave me an idea. Maybe I should have a system that queues up the talking, right? And then I can just play it when I want to. Because now that I think about it, there are times where I want to queue up the potential conversations, so just so we don't have to wait for it to load. But it's sort of hard to do that when they immediately talk. So maybe sometimes I need to do different queue. I don't know. I'll think about that. I'll think about that. Yeah, so where do I add that to my list then? At what point did I add the ability to interrupt conversations and to cancel them if need be? I don't remember. Fuck. No. Why is it so hard to remember this shit? It would have only been like a week ago that I did it. It must have been after I did the simulation of the conversation. No, it would have been after the context, actually, yeah. I think it was after the context. So added the ability to pause and interrupt conversations. All right, and that's everything, right? Unless there's something that I completely forgot. So what is the total change log? So I changed the Vinies to stream data instead of to just, input the whole thing. I changed using the Rhubarb Vizime generation to just using Warudo's built-in mic input. I created Mini Beanie. I gave Mini Beanie the ability to change colors. I added emotion to the characters to be able to do in Warudo. I created a social media for the character. I changed the voice. Wait, what? Beanie changed voice. Oh, that's right. I made Mini Beanie keep the original voice, and I made regular Beanie have the Korean one. Fixed some bugs with the textures and the modeling. I added the ability to screen capture. I switched the audio setup to use the AB sort of thing. I added the ability to change Beanie's colors through Twitch chat. More social media stuff. Separated the bots so that we can have both of them at the same time. Switch to the AB virtual cable. Change the conversation from individual agents to a simulated conversation. Added the ability to change the location context for the different characters. Added the ability to pause and interrupt conversations. Added a narration system to the thing. Okay, I think that's everything that's important, right? Unless there's something that I'm forgetting that I did that I don't remember. I don't think so. I'm sure when I'm actually like completely fleshing out the process, if there's anything that important, I'll remember it at the time. Or I won't. Either way, it should be fine. Okay, so what do I do now that we finished that? I need to save this document and not lose this shit. So I'm going to save as. We're going to go to D drive. We're going to go to Vini. No, not Vini. Yes, Vini? Oh god, no. Oh wait, yeah. Vini, we're going to just say timeline. Timeline. Save. Cool. Okay, what I'm going to do is order myself some food because I have not eaten yet today. Well, I did eat before I went to sleep, but I went to sleep at like fucking midday, so Let's just quickly order something. What am I going to do after I order some food? What do I need to do next? What did I say at the start of the stream? I guess what I can do is I can actually upload those other videos I did, right? Because, yeah, I haven't uploaded all of them. I uploaded, because we could go to the Beanie channel. How do I get to the Beanie channel? I'm pretty sure it's already logged in here, right? Yeah, it's already logged in via channel. Yeah, let's finish uploading some of the other videos. Just so I can get that out of the way and I don't forget to do that. But first, food, because I am hungry. Now, it is almost 1 a.m., so there's not a lot of options right now, unfortunately. I wanted to get something good, but it's not open anymore. I'm just gonna order McDonald's, get myself a burger and drinks. Apply this coupon 339. That is sort of expensive, but I don't care. Actually, I'm gonna use priority because it's late and people actually it's not that late. People should still order without ignoring it. Okay, food has been ordered. Let us open up DaVinci Resolve, look through my past files, and see if I can upload the rest of these videos. I should be able to just use the same thumbnail because it is the what is it called? Thingy. So let's go to DaVinci Resolve, open that up. See right there, right there. I go to explain myself and then I just don't, and I just say thingy. Like I need to be more descriptive. What was I even talking about? Oh my god, I don't even remember. I have such brain fog. I think that's the issue. So let's see if I can find those editing files. Huh. I'm going to assume it's the Vini edit one. Might be wrong though. Okay, let's switch OBS to the do I have a DaVinci one? That I do, but the Vinis are not here, so I'm gonna add the Vinis. Add one. Add two. Wait, what is this? Don't know, don't care, delete it. Remove. And then for Twitch, we'll switch over to, where is it? DaVinci. There we go. No, remove that one. Add Mini Vini. Regular Vini? Haha. Okay, so what am I doing now? I am looking through this file and seeing if there's something I need to upload.
Freaking master strategist of.
Hold up, hold up. What is this?
Oh, they want to send someone off on a coffee run.
The moment my flawless patience was leading up to. Of course we send someone out. The announcement confirms what my—
Wait, I forget. What was the video I posted about? Which one was it?
Okay, so we stayed silent until the group outside went away. Hopefully they don't worry about it. Now, so we're closed off in a tiny shelter and our supplies are very limited.
Oh, it was my first playthrough when they died. Okay. I think this is the wrong file. I think I need to open up a different one. File, open. Is it the wrong file? Vinny Edit Games 2? Maybe it's this one? I think it is this one. Maybe.
Repeat everything
Flying
you said.
bastard? How charming. Close. Let's focus on the task at hand instead of your—
Okay, and this is the second time we lost. Okay, yeah, I think this is what we wanted to render. So I've already edited it. Fucking hell. I made the video already. I've stitched it together. I weaved it into whatever this shit is. And I just need to upload it, I think. So, what do I call this? Second vid. Vini Gaming. What is this location? 2, 1. Second vid. Lights. Oh well, worst case scenario, I accidentally upload the same video twice, but it should be fine. Vini Lights 2. We want this to be an MP4 file. We want it to have this encoding. We want to add it and then re-render. Hopefully this doesn't take, yeah, it's going to be quick. It's not that long a video, right? I'll just get this done now because this shouldn't take too long. Okay, let's go back to the browser. And, oh, that's the wrong browser. We need to go to this one. And we need to actually go to Studio and to upload. Okay, close that. Upload videos. Is this thing done yet? It is done. Hooray. What am I doing? Vini? No, Vini Gaming, that's the photo in 1. And then I quoted Vini Highlights 2. Drop that in. We're going to reuse the details of the existing one. Reuse. What do I call this? 2, because it's the second video. We won't bother with the description, that's not important. Don't really think there's going to really be anyone really watching this, really. Maybe there will be, I don't know. Gaming, 60 seconds. Upload file. Documents. Gaming. 1. There's no thumbnail on there. Oh no, where's the thumbnail? God damn it. Body? Blender? No. Regular Vini? Thumbnail. Haha! I found it. Next. Okay, let's just quickly skim it to make sure I didn't upload something that I wasn't meant to do.
Lying bastard.
Blah blah blah.
Saved.
Blah blah.
Was a miscalculation.
Okay, I think that's right. And we'll publish that one. Now, let's go back to the DaVinci. Open. How do I open project? Project manager. And we need to find the other file because I'm pretty sure there was a different one. Let's just try to get at least 3 videos onto that channel. I think this is the Vini edit one. So what is this about? What's happening here?
Freaking master strategist over here. Oh my god, everyone is fucking crazy. Cool.
Of course you used the radio. That was the plan all along. Were you not paying attention? I explicitly told you we listened for information.
No.
Okay, so I think this is too long, right? How many minutes is this? If this is 3:28, this is seconds, right? So 3 and over here is 12. So that's like 9 minutes long, right? 3 take 12 is 9. Pretty sure. Unless my math was off on that one. But that means it's a 9-minute video. Is that too long? It feels like it's too long. Let's just see if there's anything relevant that I can take out of this that we don't need to have.
Freaking master strategist over here. Oh my god, everyone is fucking crazy. Cool. No, I was paying attention, just checking.
I can't understand what
Sanity is
they're saying.
overrated.
Sanity is overrated.
Ah,
Of
my
course.
ears.
Fuck it.
Now, stop delaying and use it. Tell me what you hear immediately.
Bro, he needs deliberate and conscious thought, and he just go wild. Fuck, being his god, dude. Alright. Okay, you listen to radio and good news. Based on the
Wait a
government.
minute, what does this first part even establish?
Of course you used the radio. That was the plan all along. Were you not paying attention? I explicitly told you we listened for information.
No, I. Bro.
Okay, so it establishes the fact that she wants to use a radio. I think that's why I keep that.
Okay, Vini, we listened to the radio and good news. Based on the government's emergency announcement service, the fallout outside is mostly gone, and it should be safe to send someone out to try to get more support.
Your intellect already deduced. Waiting was the correct move. Now the risk-reward ratio has shifted in our favor. Send the wife.
The wife?
She's an adult.
Okay.
The boy is unpredictable.
Okay.
Her mission is simple.
I mean, everyone's crazy right now, so everyone's
Everything else is
unpredictable.
a bonus. Tell her not to come back empty-handed. This is not a request.
Oh my fucking god.
Okay, I can see why I chose this. Okay, that's funny. All right. Do I need this radio part? Because this is a whole lot of nothing.
Okay, Vini. Everyone is thirsty right now. Goes out or food, or the radio, or the book, scout book. Like, what should we do here?
Close. Every second you waste deliberating is a second she could be finding more water. Give her 1 bottle of water. She can't scavenge if she collapses from dehydration.
But everyone's still thirsty.
Oh, is this the one where she just lets everyone fucking just die of dehydration?
No.
Oh, it is. Okay. Okay. So we established that she wants to use the radio. We established that she sends out Dolores.
Please. Okay, Vini. Everyone is thirsty right now. Send the wife out.
Close. Every second you waste deliberating is a second she could be finding more. It is a logical investment.
Okay.
The radio stays here. That is non-negotiable. The book is dead weight. The rest of you can wait. Send her out. Now.
But everyone's still thirsty.
Oh, okay. So she
Okay,
just.
but what about the father and son? Do we give them water? If we do give them water as well, we'll only have 1.25 bottle left.
Incapable of critical thought? Close? She is the one exerting energy. She is the one taking the risk. She
Oh
gets the
my
water.
god.
The others can wait.
Okay.
Their thirst is an inconvenience. Her dehydration would be a mission.
Okay, cool. So we established that she wants to wait and use the radio. We established that she wants Dolores to go out, but she doesn't want to give anyone water.
Off. Bad news. Little Timmy, sort of became deranged and destroyed the scout book that we had. Or, what should we do about that situation? And lastly, there's some ringing outside on a phone. Should we go out and across the street and pick it up, or should we just ignore it and just go to the next day? And if we do go outside, who do we send? The kid or the father?
So the boy is not only useless, he's a problem. The wife is solving it. They will wait. A ringing phone, however, that's information. That's an opportunity. It breaks things. The father told him to answer the phone and report back.
What about the water? Do we give him water? Like, she hasn't told us shit right now. Okay, let's just ask her if we give him water or not. Okay, sure, I'll send him out, but you still need to tell me to give people water or not. Oh yeah, I also forgot to mention, everyone is sick because we haven't washed ourselves in a week.
Are you testing my memory close? Or has yours failed you?
Probably
I gave you
the
a
latter.
command.
Yeah, I mean, if this stream shows us anything, it's definitely the fucking
The answer
ladder.
regarding the water has not changed.
Oh my god.
Sickness is a predictable complication in this environment.
Okay.
It does not alter the immediate priorities. A sick person can still answer a phone. Now, for the last time, send him.
Okay, we're not gonna give anyone water. Neat.
And they
Okay,
die.
Vini.
So is there anything here I can cut out? Is there anything that's not necessary? Do I need this beginning part? Does this matter? Do I really need to establish the fact that she wants to just sit and wait for the radio? Does that mean anything?
Also physics.
Yeah, I'm just
really
explaining that they're
was told-
dead.
We survived 19 days and had it successful. Alright.
Identify the weak points in the system. Ted was a flawed asset. His constitution was subpar. The boy was a liability who self-ejected.
Yeah, his constitution subpar. He just like
Fanatics are a direct
fucking didn't
result
give him
of
water
behavior
for
to
multiple
cure the
days
bad
straight.
and
But that's
construct
a skill issue right there.
He projected weakness, and the wolves came. My strategy was logically sound. The execution was flawed. The tools were inadequate. We'll do it again. And this time, we will follow the plan.
Blame, blame, blame. That's all I'm fucking hearing right now. Take some fucking responsibility, Vini. Your choices led to everyone dying too. By the way, everyone dying isn't really a data point. It's
Mentality dictates.
question rationing. You're rationing. No. Okay. Let me just recap right now, Vini. Plan was
I don't think we need that part at the start. I don't think that adds anything to the story, does it?
freaking master strategist over here. Oh my god, everyone is fucking crazy.
Yeah, that doesn't add anything. We're removing that. That's not necessary. We'll just start at the point over here.
Okay, Vini, we listened to the radio and good news. Based on the government's emergency announcement. Oh, they want to send someone off on a coffee run.
The moment my flawless patience was leading up to. Of course we send someone out. The announcement confirms what my superior intellect already deduced.
Okay. How long is it now? 4. It's like 1 minute shorter, and not even like 30 seconds shorter. So it's still like an 8-minute video. But then, whatever. I'm just gonna export it. I don't think I care at this point. Just get it out. Just get it done. It is what it is. All right. We'll just say highlight 3. And where is the save to? Vini YouTube 1. Okay. Render that shit out. Oh, maybe I should actually adjust the thumbnail to be like part 1, part 2, part 3. I'll just upload them all with the same thumbnail, and then we'll just quickly just adjust it and then re-upload it. And then that should be the social media thing that I wanted to do today done. And we can focus on doing something else and getting something else done. What else do I need to do today? Oh, that's right. I wanted to test out a new algorithm that I was working on. One that randomly generates personalities using like the ChatGPT or the Gemini, whatever you call it. And I wanted to test out using different personalities for the bots. But that would be sort of hard to do. I would need to like actually engage with them in some sort of way to see how they are. Which means I would have to basically just play a video game. But do I really want to play a video game for the stream? Maybe not. Or maybe so. I guess I could just do the video game for the stream. And then once my food gets here, maybe take like, oh wait, my food's gonna get here shortly. My food's gonna be here in like 5 minutes. Should I just take a break then while I eat? And then I come back and I do something differently? Nah, fuck it. I'm just gonna play a game. I don't care. Whatever. We'll play. I'll set up the system I wanted to test out. We'll play a video game with the bot. See how it how the personality is. If we like it, we might generate some multiple personalities too. See how they are. And yeah, I think that's what we'll do after we do this social media thing. So now that we've done that, let's just upload it. Create, upload videos. What did I call it? Wait, what did I call it? Highlight 3. But I don't see it in the photo. Huh? Wait, this is not in Vini Gaming. This is in Vini YouTube. Fuck, why is there a different photo? What the hell? Why do I have a gaming Vini and a YouTube Vini? It's supposed to be the same thing. Not to mention the fact there's literally nothing in here except for the thing I just exported. Okay. Alright. Okay, so we'll upload that. I guess we just open Krita now. And we're going to just the thumbnails, put like a 1, 2, 3 on it. A part 1, a part 2, a part 3. I probably need to think about something else to add to Vini's YouTube channel, but I don't know. I could just do stream highlights, but honestly, editing that shit took a really long time. Not sure if it's worth it. We'll go into Vini, regular Vini, thumbnail. I think it's called final. Yeah. And then we need to actually switch OBS over to Krita. Where's Krita? Oh, I mean, it's just part of Blender, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Where is Blender? There it is. Cool. I'm actually curious now, when was I actually working on this last? Because it's been a while since I was doing this whole YouTube idea, right? pretty sure it should show me that in my history. Playlists live. Okay, so it was 2 weeks ago. It was 2 weeks ago I was making a thumbnail. So that's when I had the idea, and then I just fucking stopped doing it. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to grab our tablet. And we need to use that, because trying to use a mouse here is going to be impossible. So let us pick text. We'll make a text thing, and we'll just say part 1. Part 1. We'll make it, I don't know, like 38 maybe, save. That's still way too small. 72, save. And what, this one? Wait, is this the same format? I mean, not format, what is it called? The font? Yeah, it is. Okay, nice. So that's the correct font. We want to make it the yellow, I think. Save and close, and then we'll go into the, where is it? Layer style? Stroke. Opacity 1. Size smaller than that, I guess. Maybe, oops. Maybe like size 7. Okay. We'll make this bigger because it's too small right now. Or not? Maybe I would do it like that. Right, let me change it. Why does it look like the word part looks really weird there? Am I... It's just me, or does it look strange for some reason? Ah, I don't care. Let's just export it. So we'll export. I'm just gonna make a new folder. Parts. We'll call this 1. Ah, that was a Q, not a 1. Oh well. Make it 2 now. Save. File. Export. 2. Okay. And then we'll do part 3. I think 3 videos of the same game is enough. I think if I go more than that, it's sort of overboard. Like, the games was, like, the 60-second game I think was fun, but it's not so fun where you want to see, like, a million videos of it. I don't think it has that much replay ability to it. Or maybe I'll just come back to it another time. Save. Okay, so now that I've saved it, I need to go back to YouTube, and we need to actually upload this shit, right? So content, edit the details, change the thumbnail. We'll just say part 1. Okay. Oh wait, did I not do that? I didn't change the thumbnail. 1, save. change the thumbnail to save. Reuse details for the previous one, reuse, say 3. Okay, I think that's good. And then we just visibility details, not made for kids, visibility, public, save. Cool, so that's the social media part for now done. We got a YouTube channel with 3 highlights videos. Is that how I actually want to actually use this part going forward? Probably not. Like, I don't think I just want to make a bunch of highlight videos of me playing games with the bot. Oh, maybe so, but not like regular games. Like, I think the idea of doing like proper D&D campaigns or something similar to that aspect of the bots would be funner than trying to just play regular games. Because it's just too hard to share the context for games for the most part, or the imagery and all that other stuff. It just makes it a sort of very difficult to actually, you know, have. Bro, why is this taking...
Look at the chat, you blind bastard.
Oh, animations too, yeah. I should make custom animations for her. Maybe, what could I do? What could I do for her? I could do like little skits with her and other characters that I make potentially. Or I could do like... I see a lot of different AI VTuber people do like the voice covers. Yeah, the voice covers, a song. Oh, memes and stuff. Yeah, yeah. Oh, that reminds me. There is a meme that I've seen recently that's actually like... I'd be like, oh, I could actually... That might not be a terrible idea. Actually. Let's do that. So... Give me a second. I'll show you the meme that I'm talking about. The what is it called? Let's go to YouTube. Okay, I'm gonna have to just leave the YouTube page because it's bugging out for whatever reason. And show fewer shorts. You'll go to OBS. Actually, yeah, we'll probably do that. Give me a second. Browser? Where's browser? Over here. Let me see if I can find it in the other browser and then I'll share it. Let me just make sure I'm not looking at the wrong thing right now. Nice. History. Yeah. Let's go back to the YouTube over here. This one. I could make Vinny do this one. Because she has like the sort of like bass almost I could do. And it's a loop, so it shouldn't be too hard. Yeah, I think I might do that actually. I might do a Vinny animation with this dance. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's been all over my YouTube too. I've seen it so many times. Like it probably doesn't help that every single time I see like a different like version of it, I also click on it too. Like I've seen this shit so much. I'm like, yeah, I think actually that no, that's a brilliant idea. I think I want to do this. It should be a quick little dance, and it shouldn't be too hard to make to render the Beanie doing that. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I want to do that. Actually, fuck playing the video game. We'll do that instead. Now, let me have a look. Do I want to make it like a short, or do I want to make it like I'll probably just make it a short instead of a regular YouTube video, maybe? Okay. What I want to do is that I need to go downstairs and get my food because my food is here. I'm gonna get my food, and then when we come back, I'm gonna eat my food, and then after I'm finished eating my food, I'm going to start doing this animation for the character. Trying to call me. All right, I'll be right back. I have returned. Alright. So this is like a chibi character, right? So I'll probably have to use the chibi version of what are they called? Ilvini? I wonder, are there any other things we could, any other animations? I'll probably just stick with this one for now. It's a fairly basic dance, so it shouldn't take too long to do. You know what? I should probably mute myself while I eat. It should only take me like 5 minutes to eat, so I'll just be right back in 5 minutes. Sorry.
Look at the chat, you blind bastard.
Hello.
Hi.
It's so
It's
nice
so
of
nice
you to say hi to me. The greatest person here.
How excitable 별표. A simple greeting and you're already performing.
We do the most important things. Like super elaborate plans and being awesome. We're the best at. Whatever we want to be the best at. It's very complex.
IQ 별표. Observe 별표. It's truly fascinating what one can learn simply by watching. Everyone has their little plans. And you, what grand purpose do 별표 you 별표 serve?
Look at the chat, you blind bastard.
What? What? No. No. That's awful. I wouldn't choose. Emotion equals angry. I'd be the hero. I'd jump onto the tracks and stop the whole train with my bare hands. Then I'd untie everybody, and they would all be safe because I'm the best at saving people.
The classic dilemma. A crude test designed to reveal unsupposed morality. How fascinating that you would use this perpyo to gauge us. The choice itself is mundane. The real question is, what does your asking of it reveal about perpyo?
No, that's a mean question. Emotion equals sad. You can't make me choose. I would save everyone because that's what the best heroes do. I don't like your horrible game.
How forceful. You've pushed for an answer and all you've managed to do is upset her. It seems your little test reveals more about the Inquisitus 별표 brutish 별표 nature than the Subject morality, doesn't it?
Alrighty, I'm back. What is happening here? They what did you ask them? They really do not like that. That was a response. If your dilemma, train is coming. Oh, it's the train game. The trolley problem. Yeah. Okay, Vinis, answer the question. It's just a hypothetical, okay? Yeah, Mini Vini would not like definitely, yeah, I can see why she doesn't like that. But I'm surprised that regular Vini didn't say anything different. I'm surprised she just I don't know.
Oh, if you insist on this tedious little exercise, it's not a question of morality, it's a question of 별표, 별표. Who are the people? Is the single person a greater asset than the five combined? Or are the five simply taking up space? The answer is a simple
Just taking up
calculation.
space.
Really.
Yeah.
All this emotional hand-wringing is so inefficient.
Value? No. That's so mean. People are people. Emotion equals sad. They're not
People
numbers
die
in a
when
math
they are
problem.
killed.
This is
Thank
why
you
I
for the
don't like this
insight.
question.
Alrighty. Let's have a look at the animation again, and let's see what it looks like, so I can have a better idea at animating this. Okay. We need to download this video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open my command prompt, and I'm going to use YouTube Downloader in order to download this. So where am I going to go? Where do I want to download this to? Go into the Vini folder. We'll make a new folder. We'll call it dances. Actually, I'm going to be using Chibi Vini for this, right? I can't use regular Vini. Probably Chibi because it's a Chibi thing. So I'll use the Chibi version of... Okay, let's go into the Vini one. New folder. Dances. Alright. And then after we have dances, we need to take this file path and yeah, I keep stopping because I keep muting myself and I feel like I'm gonna burp, but it just doesn't happen. Like I keep getting that feeling, but then it never happens. It's like, okay. I think I just ate too fast. Okay, so we CD to this, it doesn't work because it's still on the C drive, so we just say, okay, D drive. Okay, cool. Now that we're in this, I didn't even call it Chibi. I just misspelt it. Whatever. Let us try to figure out the YouTube download settings. I saved it to a notepad somewhere. The question is where, though? Fuck. God damn it. Where is it? Okay, let's just look up text files in each folder to see if we can find something. License, top level. Bro, this is not the right place. Okay, let's go into the Vini YouTube. Look for a text. No items found. Go into YouTube. Look up text. What does result mean? That. That ain't right. It's not there either. So it's not in Vini YouTube. It's not in YouTube. What about Vini Gaming? Ah, here it is. Okay. So we'll just take this code here, paste that, take the YouTube URL, and then we'll just paste that, and that should download the YouTube video for us. It's a short video, so it shouldn't take too long. All right, let's open up Blender. We're going to switch over to Blender. We're going to close Krita. We don't need that open right now. Get out of here. We're going to go into the video editing. I'm going to not have that. And we're going to drag and drop in the download. Shit, where did I download that to? Chibi Dances. Okay, let's find that then. D drive, Vini, Chibi Dances. Drop that in. Strange, there's no audio. But why? Why is there no audio? I guess we don't need the audio for the animation, because we already have the timing of the animation here. So I think that's good enough. We'll close the command prompt now, because we don't need that open anymore. And we'll look for what? We need to open up the Vini Chibi folder. So we'll go into Chibi. We'll go into Vini. Which one is it? Maybe it's this one? Oh, is it already rigged to rigify? That's neat. I don't remember doing that. Anywho, let us grab the character and copy it over to the new project. Just hide that. Hide. Hide. Copy that. Go to this project, go back to layout, delete this, paste that. Interesting. Why is it? Oh no. Oh no, what is happening here? What if I just take this rig and paste it? Nay. Maybe there's a different file. Okay. File, open. What's in 2? What happens if I open that? I have no idea. When did I save these files? I need to have a look at the timeline. So this one is the 30th of the 10th, and what is 2? The 2nd of the 11th. So that is the more recent one. What's inside of heart? Nothing. So let's try copy this again. Because I really want to move it to a new scene, because I don't want all the junk from the previous scene. It's just going to make my life so much harder. The problem is, though, is why the fuck is it not copy-pasting over? Oh, maybe it's a version incompatibility. This is 4.3. What is the other one? Oh my god. Okay. Okay. Whoops. Whoops. Maybe I can copy it this time now. No, not really. Bro, what am I doing wrong? Why can I not just copy this fucking rig? This is crazy. This is so crazy. What? Unless, wait a minute, if I come back to the, don't save that. We go to preferences, and we save rig. Rigify isn't enabled, that's why. Oh my fucking god. Oh my god. Maybe that's causing the issue. What does it look like rendered? not amazing. Oh my god, I was muted. I was muted. Fuck. My bad, my bad. Shit, sorry, sorry. Alright. So, shit, how long have I been muted for? That ain't good. I must have muted myself when I went to like burp or something because I just ate and I forgot to unmute myself. Damn, damn. Yo, what's up? What's up? Alright, so what am I doing? I'm just trying to set up the keyframes for this, but it looked like one of the keyframes disappeared. Oh, I see what happened there. Okay. So that's an extreme. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, dude, like your name like confused the shit out of me. It is so long. Like I thought like someone was posting like a shady link or something because it's also blue. So I thought it was like some weird like link. I was like, what the fuck is this? Like, but no, it was just a username. Okay, so we have extreme. Wait, that's not extreme. Okay, so this is the extreme. So I'm going to delete this keyframe here. I'm going to select this, add the keyframe here. So that's an extreme over here. Yeah, I was just counting the frames up. The frames were a bit different. Because this one's 12 and it's 14, but then it's only 11. So I think when I downloaded the video, whatever interpolation is used for the encoder, maybe generate an extra frame that mess with the timing. But hopefully it shouldn't be too much of a deal. Big deal issue. So what I'm going to do is we need to just set this character into its base pose. Reset this, reset that, scale that. Yo, what's up, dude? I see you, I see you. Oh shit, that was a mistake. Let's reset that one. How do I fix this head? Let's reset this head rotation. Okay, that's not too bad, except it's not... Uh-oh. Let's move this to the side. Are these the ears? I'm just going to delete the ears, I think. You can't really even see them anyway. God, it's so messy over here, but it's going to be too much of a pain to fix. Is there shape keys here right now? There are. But, yeah. Okay, let's just start doing the poses. Wait, where are the wrists? You know what? I'm going to split this into 2 views. Just so I can, see the, I should also add a camera so I have a actual correct static view. Where is it? View here. Add camera to view. Switch it over there. And then we'll just try to get this in line. I think I want this to be a YouTube short, right? So I probably don't want to render it at the, well, actually, no, I can always just crop a YouTube short video. I think I'll just keep it at this resolution. So we'll come to render mode here, and we'll disable all this other junk. So we just see the actual render and none of that other stuff. Am I able to change the world color? Not really. Oh well. Do I want to keep the feed in scene? Maybe. It might be hard. Probably 1 actually. Okay. I think that camera view for now is fine. Actually, let's look at the perspective. 50 might be too much. Let's go up to like, I mean too low. Let's go to 80. Just so it's a little flatter. You know what? Actually, I don't really like that. Let's go to like 60. Let's do, actually, let's go back to 80. No, let's go back to 50. And then we'll just leave this as the camera position. Okay, let's get out of camera view, hide that now. And let's start posing the character. Now this rig is not good. And by not good, I mean it's a piece of shit. But hopefully it won't be too much of an issue. We need to activate the transparent mode so I can select these bones. Can I just copy and mirror this pose? I can. Nice. That'll save me some time. Actually, what is the hips doing? Does it go up and down? Oh my god. Oh my god, everything got... Damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it. Alright, we need a new plan. We actually need to delete all keyframes. Yeah, it's being a pain here. Reset the rotation. Go into the pose mode. Okay, cool. And now it's at a keyframe. And then we'll do the automatic adjust. But let's go back to here. We need to see what the this does. So it comes up and down in an arc. Okay. How does that work though? What are their legs doing? Okay. Oh wait, the head's too messed up over here. Going to reset that. Pull it more like this. Is this parented at all to the bone over here? Let me check. If I rotate this head... Bro, why is this connected? Okay, that's not good. Okay, what about the rest of the body? What about the chest? Is it at least parented to this? Nay. Okay, we have to change the relations. So let's grab this one, come over here, pose mode, grab this, and then we will parent bone relative. So hopefully now when we move this, it moves the top. It does. Nice. That's what I like to see. Now the neck here is really long, while this one is almost non-existent. So I think we need to bring the head down. Like so. Yeah, we'll keep it like that for now. So now that we have that, let's just grab the timing again. So we'll grab here, and we're gonna switch it. When does it come down? Where's the extreme? Here, this one. So we'll keyframe that there. Here, keyframe, keyframe, keyframe. And what are the measurement of time here? So we have 12. Oh, that's a different. This is 13, 12 again, and 13 again. Okay. So it's 12 that way, 13 that way, 12, 13. All right. Let's go back to posing the hands. Grab these. We want to switch over to individual origins, just so we can rotate them along their individual, well, origins. And this is a fist, so we need to make it... Oh god, that's not a fist shape. What the fuck? No. Why is it rotating like that? If I grab all these, what if we go local, global, normal? Strange, why is it not doing it around the individual origins? I have no idea. I guess we just select them individually then. That's so weird. Oh, because this one's blue. Why is this one a different... Oh my god. Oh my god. That's why. This is a really poorly set up rig. Maybe that's going overboard, but yeah, it's not great. Probably have to bring this in more. Bring this up. Bring this in. Okay. Bring it down. I think that's... It still looks strange, doesn't it? Let me zoom in. Bro, you can't see shit. It's just... There's not any detail there, really. I think... What does it look like when you put a fist? I guess we'll just leave it like that for now. We'll probably have to adjust this, but we don't need it to be perfect. I can come back to that. Let's just get it like 80% of the way there, and then we'll figure out those details later. So we'll copy pose, and then we'll paste the flipped, and I'll do this hand too. And then we'll grab this hand. So this is near the face. So she has her arms going up pretty high. The problem is that my character's arms are a lot longer. Why are they so long, actually? Why is that forearm so long? Okay, you know what maybe I need to do? Maybe I need to foreshorten it by putting it forward to make it look like it's getting reduced in length. Alright, that's not that's not really helping, is it? Am I able to reduce the length of this bone? I don't think so. I'll ignore it for now. We'll have to just come back to it. We'll just copy the pose and we'll paste it to the other side. And is this when she comes down? Up, down. It is. Okay, so how does the movement look like? So it comes up. There's a line of action coming like this. And then it comes, squashes in. Okay. So this is sort of a squashed pose. Actually, what happens to the neck when it comes up? I see the head comes down in order to exaggerate that. So you can sort of see the neck here in the raised pose, but when it comes down, it squashes for an instant to Okay. I'm going to leave that like that because it looks like it's actually pretty balanced here for the most part. It's more so when it's in this extreme pose where it has the strongest line of action. And then on the way back up, yeah, it has a strong line of action again. So it's pretty balanced on these down poses. This one not so much, but the other one is. Actually, why does it look like that? So that's balanced. This one is not balanced at all. Let's grab the hips and we'll pull it. Oh my god, why is the clothes not following? Fuck. Okay, we'll grab this one and we'll parent it to the bone relative. Oh wait, no, that's wrong. Come into here, pose mode, bone relative. Not bad there. I'm confused. Does this not have... It does have weight painting, so why is it not connecting to the chest then? What? It's also weight painted there, so why is it not reacting? Okay, I think this just isn't properly generate, no, deform, armature, select a rig. Okay, that should fix the bow there at least. Or not, or not. Never mind. Never mind. Is this not called hips? What's happening? Oh, it's called torso. What the fuck? What? Torso? Okay. That's strange. Oh, it does have hips, but it's not, Okay. We'll grab this bow, and we're going to put it to not capital hips, but lowercase h hips. That should hopefully fix this. Yeah. It doesn't fix it. What the fuck? Why? Damn you. Damn you, Blender. Do you have weight paint at least? Yeah. Regardless, I don't think this should actually be connected apparent to the rig. We need to do it again. We need to do it to the actual hip bone over here. And then parent via relative. Okay, so we have to deform. It's on the rig. We have the vertex group. It's for hips. It has actual weight painting, right? That it does. Actually, if I isolate these bones, it has hip bone, doesn't it? I'm gonna actually not use that one. Let's grab these two, isolate it. Do that one there. Does it make it follow now? It does not. What about this parent? We need a bone relative. Okay, now it should follow it. And that should follow it too. It doesn't follow it. Probably because I changed the vert to a lower H instead of a capital. Okay, now it's following it. That's better. Doesn't really solve the question about this top part though. So what is this called, this bone? It's called chest, but it's a lowercase. So maybe that's the issue. Yeah, it uses capital chest. Oops. Okay. Is that better now? Not really. What if I make this one a lower C? Okay, what is its nothing, it has no armature. Deform. Okay. Is it working now? No. What? You gotta be kidding me. So you have a rig. Oh, maybe it's not, Alright, we're going to just say fuck it, and we're going to, grab this, delete that, grab this, and we're just going to do automatic weights. What else doesn't follow? These things, we're going to separate these objects then and just move them separately. Because I cannot be bothered trying to figure this out. Too much effort. Just separate it. Grab it. Grab these. Do it with automatic weights. There we go. I'm confused. Did I not take the... I did. Why did this not... You gotta be kidding me, bro. How is this still not connected? What? I literally just... A pain. This is such a pain. Ah... All right. Let's think. If we select this object, okay, let's separate it even further. Separate that. And yeah, I mean, it's not the modeling, it's also the goddamn rigging, bro. Like, I don't understand. Like, please, just weight paint for the love of everything. Oh, wait a minute. I realized the issue here. It's, okay, yeah. It's connected to the hips, isn't it? It's not connected to the hips. Never mind, I don't realize the issue. What the fuck? Yeah, we're just gonna separate it and just try to reskin it a second 100 billion time. Automatic weights. Please work this time. Okay, now it's connected. Not very well, but hey, at least it's connected. Fuck it. With its progress. There's so much clipping right now, though. Okay, we'll just put the character to the dance poses first, and we'll worry about the clipping later. I really just don't want to deal with that. Let's get this pose over here prepared. Oh, that's right. It doesn't interact with the legs there. So wait. Where's the legs? Hold up. Hold up, hold up, hold up, hold up. Where are the legs? Where are the legs? There's no fucking leg controllers. What the fuck? Oh my god. Okay. I'm confused. Did I hide them? Okay, I just hide. Oh, thank God. Thank God. Oh, okay. Okay, it's not that bad. I just made a mistake. It's there. It's there. It's there. There we go. So we just gotta take the IK, move this to the side a bit more. Hmm. Maybe the issue here is also with the camera angle. Because now I think about it, what is the head doing there? Is it looking down at you or is it up? I'm just gonna leave it as is. That's not good. Why is that rotating? Why is it rotating the bow? Alright, we're just going to hide the bow for now, because I ain't dealing with this shit. I ain't dealing with this. Get out of here. I'm not. That's above my pay grade. What are these things over here? What are these bones? What armature is this? What are these bones? What? No, I'm just gonna hide it. Whatever. I have no idea what they are. Oh, maybe they were the little bones that were connected to here. Do we still have them inside? We don't. Okay, yeah. Whatever, we don't need them. They were only there for the simulation. We don't need it for this. If anything, they actually get in the way, so it's good that they're gone. What is, what is this thing here? What happens when I go render? Oh, this is part of the, I see. We'll just do automatic weights. I did not keyframe this properly. Let's come back down to this extreme. Add a keyframe there. Come back over here. Grab the skirt, reset it. Okay. Okay, let's go back to the hips. So this is supposed to be at the same level. Let's bring the root bone up, I think. I think this is supposed to be bent with the legs. I'm gonna grab the hands as well. Get rid of the render mode here. And we can see that the hips sort of point in this direction. So we're gonna go like that, like this. Strange. Why is the hips doing that? The body isn't, maybe I just need to, move it like that. Yeah, I'll just shift it. Need to adjust this now, bring it up because the bent legs are causing it to clip. You actually see close to the knees, so the camera is actually just wrong. So we need to adjust the camera now. So that's all the way down there. And this is not the same. So this needs to be down as well. But I need to make sure I grab the hands with it. So this is around here. Honestly, I could probably have this even be a little bit more angled like that. Okay, let's get out of the camera view for a second, if we can. We actually have a tension here. I think I'm going to exaggerate the hip movement a bit more with this one over here. Nope, that pulls the whole skirt. I don't like that. Okay, I think I parented the thing to the wrong bone. Oh well, I can't be bothered to fix it now. We could lift the arms a little higher. Just too much contrast with the two poses if I don't. I don't like that though. It's dumb. I'll just bring that one lower, I guess. This is also too close together. I need to bring it out more. Probably this one needs to come out more. Honestly. Yeah, because this is coming this way, right? So it will be catching up to the head. But this one's going away from this, so it should be further away. So the neck here goes to about where the shoulder here becomes where the neck is. So the shoulder here becomes where the neck is. Okay, I think that's fine there. Let's just save that. What do we want to change now? Do I want to put the legs separated a bit more? Like so. I just delete these keyframes here. I don't know what that was for. Because if I pull this over here, that actually creates that tension over here, right? So that's good for that frame. And what about the next frame? The angle there gets exaggerated more. I think I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to have the legs out a little more. It also looks a little more natural having the legs out a bit more. Well, actually. Actually, it doesn't make sense for it to be like that. Maybe if I pull it out more like this. Nah, it doesn't make sense either. But they shouldn't be moving as well. I guess I could just pull this in more. Yeah. We leave it like that for now. File save. Let's focus on the next frame. But make this shoulder come more to the side. I need to adjust the eye angle right now. I don't like how the eyes aren't really looking at the camera. Is that the bone? There are bones for it. Oh wait, does this even affect the eye though? Is that not even parented? It's not even parented, never mind. It's a waste of time. Maybe it's the eye right. No, this is vertex groups. We want to look at the shape keys. Why did I type in shape? I need eye. There is no eye. Is it called something else? Blink. Is there a look somewhere? I'm just gonna add a new thing. We'll just say I D for the eye direction. Turn that on. Go to edit mode. Grab this shit. Pull it down a bit. Interesting. Yeah, mouth is not actually centered there. Interesting. What's happening here? Maybe I need to adjust this. Hmm. What's happening here? No, why does it have to do that? No. Why? We'll just separate it and actually we'll go back to here and we'll come back to like frame 0 and we'll just create a pose, reset. Okay, cool. Reset. Oh, interesting. Did I accidentally move it with the G? I did. Okay, cool. I'm gonna save it here, and then I'm gonna save as a new file. Oh wait, no, we should probably focus more on some of the poses. I mean, I'll still save it as a new file, but I was gonna just start putting a bit more detail into it, but because what does it look like when it comes back over here? Let's just interpolate it actually. What? How is that enable? Oh. Okay, let's take this pose, copy it, and then paste it here. And then we're going to reduce the length, because we only need to really do a loop here, right? Okay. Copy that, paste it here.
It's actually still bent here, isn't it? Interesting. In fact, the leg angle here looks completely wrong. Okay, so this goes really close to the face. So it's really significantly swung to it. Maybe a little bit out. Change the interpolation type. I don't want to use I'm just gonna use constant. Huh? Did I not just change it to constant? Bro, why is the leg doing that? I thought I already fixed this. Why is it wait a minute. Hold up. Hold the fuck up. Why is it moving in the viewport but not the character? What is this fucking camera doing, dude? Oh my god, the camera's moving. I'm like, what is causing this interpolation? This stupid fucking camera is moving. How... Ah. Okay, goodbye. Okay. The leg is still acting weird. What's going on there?
Okay. What's the time? Late. One, two, one, two, three. We're gonna need a proper animation curve in order to actually see this correctly. But what do we track? Um, yeah, we badly need an animation curve. Where is the animation curves right now? Motion paths. I guess go to motion path instead. Just calculate, I guess. Hopefully it does it here. Okay, cool. Because it's here, it comes up a lot. Is that how it actually works? A little bit. There's a big difference here because it's sort of... Yeah, because the head sort of stays more put. The head does not move a lot. This is coming up too much, I think. But it actually does come up quite a bit, right? It's like that much. Oh, the head actually comes up a lot, never mind. It's squashed though, like you can see, right? Is that it's like this, and then it gets squashed. So there's a squash action happening here. So that's why it doesn't look like it's moving up here, because the chin's moving, because it's coming up, but the rest of his head is, like when you look at the eyes, there's a very slight change, because there's a squash. So How do I do this? How do I try to do this squash? It might be a bit much. That's not looking good. That's not looking good at all. Okay. I think I might take a break here. I've been streaming for like 4 hours. And I haven't animated in a while, so I'm sort of struggling a little bit with this. So I think I'm gonna take a break. And then I'll be back later. When exactly? I don't know. Probably not for a while. But I'm gonna think of stop here. Because yeah, I just need to clear my head a little bit. But yeah, hopefully next stream I should be able to get this little dance done. So what am I gonna say? Well, thank you anyone who is watching, who was watching, who will watch. Hopefully we can get this character done and it should look pretty nice. But until then, ciao ciao. Till next time.